I'm going to take you on a journey with artificial intelligence and how I'm creating these logos. I mean, just look. They're not final, but for reference, to get started, I'm trying to make a logo for a car company that represents Uber, that represents Lyft, and it's going to be nice and simple and easy. Now, any one of these could be taken a little bit further and finalized. Look at my problem. All of this was generated by the AI in less than one day. I mean, it literally takes 5 minutes, and this is how I started. I started with the letter A and learning how I can get AI to, make the letter A look kind of cool. Then I started combining it and adding colors to it. Then I found one that I liked right here. This is the one that I liked for the 2-letter A's, and then look at where we took it. We kept messing with it. These are some other ones that were still in the container. And then bam. Higher resolution, letter A, that looks like an infinity logo. Then I tried to add a Rubik's Cube in there. It didn't work. Now I started giving a little bit of texture and combining it here and here, and it's looking like a teardrop. I angled it a little bit by giving it a twist or tornado effect. And here I'm showing you different variations that I'm creating, and I'm still working it. Now I told it crab legs and metal, hot metal. And it started creating another shape out of it. And you basically just keep working it until you get the look that you want. And then I started having some fun with it. Because you can tell the AI to make it like black and white, stencil like a logo. Or you can tell it to make it more artistic and stylized. Or you can tell the AI to go crazy. And this is where the AI went crazy. Look at that. Now I'm having a hard time picking which logo to start with. So I'm just going to put it up on the internet and see if there is a particular logo that people like or what video does well. And then I'm going to start making some logos. I'm trying to do some stuff with a cow and a car. Okay, check this out. Here I started adding water and some disruption and adding a shape of a heart. I'm going to go a little bit faster. There you go. Look at that one. But we're going back to the animal, and then I'm going to mix in this animal shape with this shape. And look at what we're getting. Now I'm asking for polygons. I'm asking for 2 women dancing, holding hands and their head touching. And it initially started with the letter A. More shapes of animals that we can use in logos and then implementing them. Look at that. So now I said, you know what? If the letter A can look that cool, let's take an animal shape and the shape of a car. And let's see what we can come up with. By the way, you can make anything reflective. You can make it transparent. Oh my God. So this is a car and a cow. Attempt at a logo for RightX Serve. This is the A logo. I'm adding ovals and eggs and hearts and scales. Look at that. That is a cow and a car for an Uber logo. Here's another one. Here's another shape coming. Here's another shape coming. And now the actual shape of a car is starting to come. Here's a car. Here's an emblem. Here's a car. Here's another car. Oh my God. Now this is a car on top of a car. So in this video, you've just seen the power of artificial intelligence and how, as an artist, you can create a logo, tune it, and give it to a client. And now I have too many choices. Look at that one. Like a propeller. I can get rid of this. Oof. Beautiful. Nice and simple. Like this can be painted out right here. I'm just going to paint it real quick for you. But look, this could be painted out in Photoshop. And once this is painted out in Photoshop, I mean, the sky's the limit. Now you see what problem I'm having? How do I pick one logo for RightXServe? I'll tell you what I'm leaning towards. I love this. Well, I'm having a little bit of fun too. These are not logos. This is just having fun. Look, you need a logo? Let me know. I can get you guys a logo really fast. This one's nice with the taxi. I like this with the mustache and the snake, scorpion look. And this could easily be turned into a window and honestly fixed. Like, you can come here and you can just fix it in Photoshop. Match this or unmatch it over here. And I'm doing this with a mouse right now, not my tablet, not my pen. And look at that. Like, this could be painted out if you don't want that arc right there. And then you take it into Illustrator and you vectorize it. And I'm going to show you how to do that pretty soon too. Look at that. Incredible. And now I'm making it pink. I'm adding the pink in, so that's going to take a little bit of time. So let me show you how I create all of this. The first thing you want to notice is a program. Let's see, not Uber, but I just want to check if there's any rides coming. Not yet. Okay. You want to get Discord. And this is basically how you create it. Like, if you like a logo like this, you can upscale it, you can make variations. These are the prompts that I'm using: logo design, taxi, white background, octane render, dash dash. Very simple prompts. And then they have a way where you can look at anything. You can click here and you can go to the web and you can go home, and now you can look at everything that you just created. And I don't even have time to organize it. I've got like over 1,000. Over here you can get references. Like, you can go into the community feed. I can just type in here car logo, and these are not even stuff that I've designed. This is stuff that people have designed. It'll pop up here, and then you can just grab it and use it as a reference to create your own logo. My internet's a little bit slow. Oh, okay, mine are showing up. So all of mine are showing up because I think I'm the only one doing car logos on this. That's a cool one. Yeah, so this is everybody as well as me. Here's a nice car one. Here's a nice one right here. So let's say if you wanted to grab something for a reference, let's see. Oh, I like this one right here, right? I'll go here. I'll say copy command. And the command is original Chrome logo. Now you go into Discord. You find something that's black and white that would look like Chrome, like this one would work. You can say make variations. And over here, I'm going to use most of my stuff, but we're going to add this information here. And let's look at it. Original Chrome logo for a new car. Cool. I don't need cool. Elegant, impressive. I don't need any of these words. We just want Chrome. Chrome 3D space-time. We don't need space-time. Concept art is fine. Particulate, I don't know what that means. Intricate, fine. Centered. Art, sure. We're gonna get rid of this because we want to keep my stuff from over here. Okay, now basically I have that reference information, my information, video seed version 1 done. Now I'll copy this so I have it, so next time I don't have to type it again. Submit. Now there's a bug, you can't go back, so I have to literally close this, open it back up. Now find another one that I want to make a variation out of and turn it into Chrome. Like this is another new one, so I can say make variations. Come here, do the same thing, paste, and now I'm going to change it to version 3, which will give me a different version of Midjourney. And if I want to make it photoreal, let me show you how we do that. So in order to make it photoreal, all you have to do is do the same thing. Let me find a different one because I like to do it to different logos. Let's say it's something simpler. Like it has to be a simple shape. Like, well, this is going to take long to turn into Chrome because it's a different color. So if you go black and white, well, you never know. Let's see. Let's see how this would look Chrome. Okay, so we'll go here. Same thing. But to make it look like a picture, you have to go in and put in a different code, which is, I don't remember it, so I'm going to go grab it. It's just easier. The code is... Where are you? Okay, this one will get me close. This is not the whole code, but check it out. Paste. Get rid of the duplicate AR. That's the aspect ratio. Get rid of version 3. We're going to leave the seed in, the video in, the square aspect ratio, the test. We're going to change it to P. So version 3, test P are different ways the algorithm does its thing. And the S5000 will give the AI more creativity. Now you copy this again, submit, close because of the bug, open. And now you can see over here, I have like different files where I'm working on different logos. So let's say if I wanted to do it to this cow, what would look nice in Chrome? Yeah, this one, number 1, would look nice in Chrome right here. Let's try that. Okay, over here there's an image that I use as a reference, so I'm getting rid of all of that because I don't need that anymore. And we are going to create a new version. Let's see how these come out. And I'll post another video in a little bit. So, long 15-minute video, but I hope you found it informative. I am an Uber driver. In between rides, I make little videos like this and I share them. I'm doing all of this from my car. I've learned how to do this. If you're interested in learning how to do this and not drive Uber anymore, let me know. I would appreciate it if you would like, if you would comment, and if you would subscribe to my channel. If you stuck around till the end for 15 minutes. All day I make videos like this about different subjects, and I would love your support, and I would love your comments, and I would love to know what you would like me to talk about, art-wise and Uber-wise and spirituality-wise. Have a beautiful day.